Okay, today we're gonna play Roblox again. Okay, let's pick a game. This one. Oops, sorry. I keep forgetting this game. Okay, we're gonna leave. I'm coming back. Yeah, let's do it later. Okay. Oh, this is okay. Oh, I already played this. Oh, oh my! I fell. Yep, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, let's go back to 0. Okay, I don't like this game. Let's pick another one. Okay, which game would we play next? Cotton Obby 3008 20. I don't know, Mama yan. Okay. Next, what should we play next? Crazy Chef? No. Bad Cat? No. Daycare Story? No. Let's just play that. But first, let's read the description. What a loving time to stay at the daycare with friends, or is it stay at a daycare for 2 nights with 612 friends? 612 friends to make sure to turn up your volume for the best experience. They are different items. Will you be available to experience all? Be sure to like and favorite this game. No, I don't want to favorite this game. We're not gonna read that, so I don't want to that. Warning, this game has scaries and flashing lights. Okay, I'm done reading. I don't want to read now. Okay, let's play the game. If I beat it, you gotta subscribe. Let's join this game. Okay, let me join. Yay, I join. Oh no, we only have 2 people. Be sure to don't want to read that. Oh. I don't want to be sure to like warning. Yeah, I already read that. Don't read this to me, okay? Check out the story, some helpful pranks. Yeah. Experienced by Jungkan Amba Asya. No, I don't want to read. Oh, so many people in this bus. I'm so a little kid. I am in the very who's gonna drive? Oh, a ghost is gonna drive with no steering wheel. Okay, I know now. Daycare. Oh, I cannot read it. Okay, let's go. Get me in. Get me in. I'm just a little baby. Get me in. Get me in. Get me in. This is not a daycare. This house looks like a haunted house. Okay. I shouldn't have go to that bus. Okay. Let's see here. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. You just come with a closed door. You just teleport. Mrs. Lily is a bad. Lily is a bad. I will look after for you. Come on! For we need to come on. Open the door! Good! You didn't open it! 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 Good! Oh, you just jumped. Oh, thank you. Welcome inside. Feel free to explore. Okay, I will break your fish tank. Yeah! No, I can't do it. Oh, we'll watch. Oh, you have... I don't have $50. $50 for a flashlight. Here, we only cost $5. Okay. Let's read what is in the board. Most things I look better when you put them in a circle. Is this look like a circle? No. Let's go outside. I want to go outside. Is that scary here? Why are you thinking this is scary? It's not. Oh, I fell. Why I'm so big and I'm so ugly? But in real life, I'm pretty. Yay! I'm still playing. Yeah. You can. I'm not hungry. Okay, I'm not hungry. Hungry. I will play with this. What should I pick? I will hide here for is there a monster? Or right in. This kid is crying. And I will be right behind the cat. Oh, I will be. Alright. It looks like pizza won the vote. Ah! I didn't even vote for pizza. Okay. Always eat pizza in this game. Never have pancakes in my life in the Roblox. Okay. Oh, I didn't die. I'll sit beside this bacon. Oh, you don't jump. Okay. I like her eyes. It's a black tea. Let's all sit here. Oh, the girl leave. I want to go. Oh, that was the food. I'm not good at reading. Okay, I'm not good at reading. Reading. Yay. Pocky said yay for pizza. Yeah, everyone love pizza. Okay, let's do it again with this. Most things look better when you put them in a circle. I already read that. I thought to change. Okay, let's change it. Watch out. Watch out. What do you mean watch out? Already played this game before and there's a monster. That's why I tell you I was here to hide or beside the kitty. It's not a kitty, it's a black cat. I will not eat this pizza. Fine, I'll eat it. No, we want to play now. We want to. I want to watch iPad. Okay. I'll right here. Oh, I'll be right here for the monster, okay? Fine. Why does he have a door? If the rooms is just the same room. If you go in the blue door, you're gonna go to the pink door. No, there's the pink room. If you go to the pink room, and then the blue room is right over there. Okay, I'm gonna sleep at. Hey, I want to cut. Oh, I'll just be right here. No, I don't want to be right here. I will be right here. Oh no! I will just go turn the power up. You don't come. You take an hour to turn the power off. Okay? So don't take it. I'm much better to sleep at night. Even it's just morning time. Hey, I want to get out of bed. OMG. What OMG? What is outside? A monster, what? You don't see that? That's a monster with flames. Monster, run! What? That's me. Why should we run? Oh man. This is scary. Ah! Help me, I'm dying. Help me. Why did we not? There's another jump scare, just wait for it. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm scared now. Really takes too long to turn the light off. I'll just how to hurt. Finally, you come. We had chased by a monster back there. Hey, there was a monster. Yes, he knows. What? What monster? Ha ha ha. If you're a kid and you're in here, you have regretted your life. So, now, we just teleported out of bed. I'm almost gonna die. Almost 76! It gets lower. Go to bed. Run again to bed. Let's shop. I don't have Robux. Okay. Let's play this game without Robux. My next video is gonna be Toca Boca. So make sure watch that before this. Okay. It's coming out today. So watch that. Definitely watch that. If I survive just a day, just a day, just a day, just a day, just a day. This again, seriously kidding me again. OMG, did anyone see that? Yes, I'm not blind. Yes, but why me have to say that? Yes, it was the monster. Yes, I can totally see it. Okay, I saw it too. Yes, we all saw it. Okay. Why am I in the boys' room? Only to be here. Good morning, children. Yes, I have a terrible sleep today. I want breakfast. I'm hungry. Hungry. Okay, let's go. Okay. I want a flashlight. I don't want kitty cats. It's so blurred. Turn up the TV. The TV is one on. This kid is very crying because she didn't read the watch out. I wish I can go in a secret from here. If I click the rapid sheet, watch it. Woohoo! I love pancakes. Yeah, I love pancakes in real life. Okay, don't blame me. This is it's not invisible pancake. Invisible pancake. Okay. finished that in 3 bites. But in real life, I finished that like in an hour ago. Now you're happy and the other kids is it's sad. This picture looks like Vacation Story. Yeah, I played that game before. The next video is coming today. So we have another video coming out just today. Do you know what time is it? Playtime! Yeah, I know. Pinking Chungkacha. Yep. Have fun. Everyone, yes, I'll have fun while you play with your friends. Yes, I don't have friends. I have friends in real life, but not in Roblox. Play. Oh, this ring is so boring. Okay. Now I fell on the ground. I'm just playing. I'm stepping on the sandcastle. It's not breaking. Okay, I will just play with this. Why would not move? Yeah. You bring a small one and not this big one. Okay, push it. Oh. Are you seriously? Not hours. It's just 10 seconds, bro. Give us more time. Picchong, I will be. Why did you make her a leader instead of me? I am a leader in school. Yes, yippee. I will say, no! I wish I was the leader. Okay, let's say something in the chat. Let's say that. Ringing from Shincha. There. We put something in the chat. Ringing from Shincha. That must be the monster from last night. Yes, I know. I played this game before. I'm not 4, 5, 6. I'm 2. Why are you standing right by the fire? Oh, you want to burn yourself? Yeah, have fun. Have fun to burning yourself. No, the monster is in the fire. Yeah, we know. OMG, we are going to die. Yes, I know. To get the fun squinty here. Haha, you only see our butts. Give me your tiny kill. The girl died from a fire. Really? I will take this fire off. Hurry up. Okay, we have 30 seconds. Hey! Okay, we're gonna die now. I know we're gonna die. Clear it. That's it. I am done with this place. Yep. Let's leave. Goodbye. I hope you have a fun time. So goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye.